Ho, 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 ho. Hi there, friends. It's your old pal singing Santa Claus here. I am so excited because today we have a very special book we're going to read together. It's a Christmas book. It's called Santa Mouse. And look, he's dressed like me. Oh, let's open this book together and go on a reading adventure all about Santa Mouse. Here we go. Once there was a little mouse who didn't have a name. He lived in a great big house. This mouse, the only mouse in the whole wide house. He used to play a game. He'd daydream. He had playmates who were friendly as could be. Well, some of them would bring their dolls and dress up and have tea. There were others who'd play cowboys or be Eskimos or Spanish. But when he'd try to touch them, like a bubble, they would vanish. Now, through the year, this little mouse had saved one special thing, a piece of cheese. The kind that makes an angel want to sing. On Christmas Eve, he brushed his teeth, and as he washed his paws, he thought, my goodness, no one gives a gift to Santa Claus. He ran to get his pretty cheese, and after he had found it, the paper from some chewing gum, he quickly wrapped around it. And then he climbed in bed and dreamed that he was lifted high. He woke to find that he was looking right in Santa's eye. I thank you for my gift, said Santa. Tell me, what's your name? I haven't any, said the mouse. You haven't? That's a shame. You know, I need a helper as I travel house to house, and I shall give a name to you. I'll call you Santa Mouse. So here's your beard, and here's your suit, and here's each shiny, tiny boot. You mustn't sneeze, and don't you cough. Just put them on, and we'll be off. Then over all the rooftops, on a journey with no end, away they went together, Santa with his tiny friend. And so this Christmas, if you please, beneath the tree that's in your house, why don't you leave a piece of cheese? You know who'll thank you? Santa Mouse. Oh, I just love that story. Oh, have you ever seen a mouse before in real life? Oh, good. Well, I want to thank you for reading with me, Singing Santa. Be sure to hit the subscribe button because every single day of the week, I read a special Christmas book, a holiday story. And sometimes I get my guitar and do some singing. So if you love Christmas, this is the channel for you. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you again real soon. Ho, 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 ho. Bye. Ho, 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 ho. Subscribe now. It's free. Ho, 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 ho.